Hi students, welcome to this problem. So, find the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to root of x plus 2 and y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 between the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. See the solution here. First there are two curves are there. So, y is equal to root of x plus 2. Y is equal to root of x plus 2. Let us take squaring on both sides. So, y square is equal to x plus 2. So, clearly y square is equal to x plus 2 is a parabola. Is a parabola whose vertex is, so whose vertex is here it is a, if y is equal to, if you have taken, so this is a minus 2 comma 0. Okay na? So, if you take y is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus 2 comma 0. Therefore, it intersects the x-axis at minus 2 comma 0. Okay, let us draw the graph afterwards. Now, this part is what? It is a parabola, open leftward, and whose vertex is minus 2 comma 0. Okay, now, right. Let us observe the graph of y is equal to 1 by x plus 1. Y is equal to 1 by x plus 1. So, if you observe, as a limit extends to minus 1, limit extends to minus 1, if you go on this left side direction, this is a 1 by x plus 1. So, this takes to infinity. It takes to infinity. Okay, now, if it is a limit extends to infinity, that is 1 by x plus 1, if you go on increasing the x value, this is equal to 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now, right. Let us draw the graph of these two curves. So, this is a x axis and it is a y axis and it is a origin and it is minus 2 comma 0. So, the first parabola is this. So, this is equal to first y square is equal to x plus 2. So, this is 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. This side this is a minus 1, curve will be like this. As extends to minus 1, so if you go on moving this side and it is if you exactly x is equal to 1, if it x is equal to 0, so if it x is equal to 0, y value is 1. X is equal to 0, y value is 1. So, this means this. As extends to infinity, 1 by x plus 1 to 0. That means, so this will be the graph of this. So, this is a y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 graph. Okay, now. From between the limits 0 to 2. 0 to 2. So, this is equal to 2 and it is 0. So, this area you have to find out. This area we have to find out. Okay, now from 0 to 2. That means our area should be integral. What are the bounds? 0 to 2. What is the upper limit? So, this is the upper curve. So, that is equal to root of x plus 2 minus, what is the lower curve? 1 by x plus 1 dx. Okay, now. So, upper curve minus lower curve between the limits 0 to 2. Okay, now. So, let us do the calculation. Welcome back to the calculation. So, very easy. So, what is the integral of root of x plus 2 whole power 1 by 2. So, that is equal to x plus 2 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1. So, this is equal to 3 by 2. By 3 by 2, here 2 by 3 will come minus 1 by x plus 1. X plus 1 derivative is 1 only. Therefore, log of x plus 1. So, this is equal to upper limit, lower limit. Okay, now. So, let us apply the upper limit first. So, this is equal to 2 by 3 into first 2 plus 2, 4. 4 power 3 by 2 minus log of 2 plus 1, 3. So, this is the upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit 2 by 3 here 0. So, this is a 2 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2 minus, if you put 0 here, log 1 0. Okay, now. So this is equal to 2 by 3 into. So here 4 is there. Now you can write down 2 square. 4 is there. You can write down 2 square. 2 will cancel. 2 cube 8 will come here. Minus log 3 minus 2 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2. That's all. You can otherwise you can take 2 by 3 common outside. 8 minus 2 power 3 by 2 minus log 3. This will be the area of the region bounded by that curve. Okay, na? So very easy problem. The only thing is drawing the two graphs and identifying the region. Okay, na? I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So see the problem here. If a ray of light incident along the line 3x plus 5 minus 4 root 2y is equal to 15 gets reflected from the hyperbola x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1, then its reflected ray goes along the line. Simply equation of the incident ray is given. We have to find out equation of the reflected ray. Okay, now the first the hyperbola is given here. So x-axis and y-axis. So this is the hyperbola. So here, so this is the hyperbola. Okay, now right. So this is a focus. This is a focus, and it is S dash. There is an incident ray. So there is an incident ray. We call it as a incident ray, like this. It incident at the point P. First, let us find out the focus. So what is the focus of this E is equal to root of A square plus B square by A square. So first find the foci. A square means 16 plus 9 by 16. So this is equal to 5 by 4. Understand. What is the foci? Foci is given by plus or minus AE comma 0. Plus or minus. A means how much? 4. Comma E means 5 by 4 comma 0. This is plus or minus 5 comma 0. 4 gets cancelled, 5 comma 0. So one foci is this is a 5 comma 0. Another one is minus 5 comma 0. One foci is 5 comma 0 and another foci is minus 5 comma 0. So what is the equation of the incident ray? Incident ray. What is the equation of the incident ray? So this is equal to 3x plus 5 minus 4 root 2y is equal to 15. If you observe very clearly, see the focus here 5 comma 0. Substitute here in place of x, substitute. So this is a 4 root 2 into y. Okay, in place of x, substitute 5, in place of y, substitute 0. So what you will get? 3 into 5, 15. Plus 0. 15 plus 0, 15 is equal to 15. That means the incident ray passes through the one of the foci 5 comma 0. One of the foci 5 comma 0. So now we have a property that the reflected ray must passes through the another foci. The reflected ray should passes through the another foci. Understand this? That is the first point we have to do. Now we have to find out the equation of S dash P. We have to find out the equation of S dash P. Okay. So to find the equation of S dash P, so whatever may be the equation of the line, we have to find out the either slope and another point. So already S5 comma 0 we know. So we have to find out the coordinates of P. How to find out the coordinates of P? Solve these two equations. If you solve those two equations, you will get the point of intersection. That is a point of intersection of the incident ray and the hyperbola. Then solve this. How to solve this? So let us take you either convert it into x or convert it into y. We will get the point of intersection. Okay. So let us find out the point of intersection. Welcome back. So here let us solve these two equations. So from these equations, I will write down this 3x is equal to 50 minus 4 root 2 into y. Therefore, this is x is equal to 5 minus root 2 by 3 into 5. 5 minus 4 root 2 by 3. Substitute this x value here. Substitute the x value here. So, substitute here. So, what happens here? So, this is equal to 5 minus 4 root 2 by 3 into y whole square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Now, you have to solve this equation for y value. Okay. So, you can do this a minus b whole square and you will get a quadratic equation. So, one of the value. So, I solved it and I am telling. So, y is equal to 3. So, if you take a y is equal to 3, so the problem will be solved. See here y is equal to 3 you take here. If you substitute here 3 will get cancelled. 5 is also get cancelled. 4 root 2. 4 root 2 means 16 2s are 32. 32 by 16. 2. Here 3 square 9. 9 by 9 1. 2 minus 1 1. So, you got we get y is equal to 3. Okay now. So, y is equal to 3. Substitute here x value you will get here. So, this is equal to 3x is equal to 15 into 5 minus 4 root 2 into 3. 5 minus 4 root 2 into 3. 3, 15, 3. You can cancel with 3. So, therefore, x is equal to 5 minus 5 plus 4 root 2. So, 5 cancel, x is equal to 4 root 2. Therefore, the coordinates of P are, so this is equal to 4 root 2 comma 3. P are 4 root 2 comma 3. Right. You know the coordinates of P and the coordinates of S. You apply the equation of the reflected ray as a 2-point form. What is the 2-point form? Y minus y1 is equal to 0, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0 by x2 minus x1, 4 root 2 plus 5 into x minus x1. Okay now. So, let us do the cross multiplication and put it in the general form, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. You will get the answer. Okay. So, the first thing is incident ray. We find out both the foci. Luckily, the first foci f comma 0 satisfying that incident ray. So, one property is there. Then the reflected ray should passes through, must and should passes through the another foci. Okay. So, then how to find out that point P? Solving both the equations, both the x equations. Okay now. So, you have to solve compulsory a minus b whole square. You have to solve, no other options. So, you can do through 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 3 7. 7 minus 7 plus 4 root 2. So, like that 7 minus here y, of course y will be there. Okay. So, a minus b whole square expansion you do and you will solve the y value. Okay now. So, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. Solve x cos y minus y sin y dy plus x sin y plus y cos y dx is equal to 0. Then how to solve this problem? See here. First you write down like this, x cos y minus y sin y into, bring this dy by dx also this side. So, this is a dy by dx plus x sin y plus y cos y is equal to 0. Okay now. So, I have made it a dy by dx. Let us substitute this x sin y plus y cos y is equal to t. X sin y plus y cos y is equal to t. Differentiate this with respect to x on both sides. Right. This is x into sin y derivative cos y, again y derivative dy by dx plus sin y into x derivative 1 plus next u into v formula, by force formula, y into cos y derivative minus sin y into again y derivative dy by dx plus cos y into y derivative dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. Okay now. Let us rearrange the terms. See here, x cos y dy minus y sin y dy. Why? Because here it is there, x cos y minus y sin y. That means x cos y and minus y sin y dy by dx is equal to, let us take all the terms to other side, remaining all terms. So this is a sin y is there, minus sin y. This is equal to minus cos y into dy by dx plus dt by dx. Okay now substitute this value wherever x cos y minus y sin y dy by dx is there, you substitute this value, and the x sin y plus y cos y is there, substitute this. Now let us see what happens. So this is a minus sin y minus cos y into dy by dx plus dt by dx up to here. Understand? Plus t. So this is a t is equal to 0. So the problem will become in t and y. Then let us see this continuation of this problem. So up to here x cos y minus y sin y dy by dx, we made it as a minus sin y minus cos y dy by dx plus dt by dx. See once one check here, minus sin y, this is a cos y dy by dx. Now can I write down this is a derivative of sin y. Derivative of sin y is cos y, again y derivative dy by dx, d of sin y I can write down, plus dt by dx plus t is equal to 0. Okay, now let us convert this, adjust this minus sin y plus t to that side. So this is a dt by dx minus derivative of sin y, move to that side. So that is equal to sin y minus t, sin y minus t, minus sin y to that side, minus plus to sin t. Okay, now so dt by dx minus d by sin y. So can I write down derivative of t minus sin y, that is equal to minus of sin y minus t, minus of sin y minus t. Okay, now let us bring that, so here t minus sin y is there sin y, so this is a minus you have taken, no, so we have, this will become t minus sin y, t minus sin y. Let us bring that t minus sin y to left hand side. So this is a derivative of t minus sin y by t minus sin y minus 1. Actually it is a minus 1. Now let us integrate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, now let us continue the solution. Welcome back to the remaining calculation. So we got here, so we will write down the integration dx plus c. Okay, now right. So the denominator derivative is in the numerator, therefore we know that. So this is a log of t minus sin y. Understand? So this is equal to minus x plus log c, minus x plus log c. So this is a log of t minus sin y. This can I write down log of e power minus x plus log c. Log of e power minus x is same as minus x. This is a log of t minus sin y is equal to log of c into e power minus x. We can take a remove on both sides. G is equal to c into minus power, c into e power minus x. What is our t? T is nothing but this. That means x sin y plus y cos y minus sin y is equal to c into e power minus x. This will be the solution, one of the solution of this equation. Okay, now as you c value goes on giving, so you will get infinite number of solutions. Okay, now I hope that you understand this solution. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So see this problem. Evaluate minus 5 to 5 x square into, this is a step of x plus 1 by 2 dx, where that is a greatest integer function. That is how to do. So this is a I, let us call it as I, minus 5 to 5 x square into step of 1 by x plus 1 by x2. Let us replace x with minus x, no problem, with x is a variable, x with minus x. So this is equal to I is equal to integral minus to 5 minus x whole square means x square only. So minus x plus 1 by 2 dx. Okay now? Right, in place of x we substituted minus x. So this is a integral minus 5 to 5 x square into step of minus x plus 1 by 2 is there, no. So can I write it as a minus x minus 1 by 2 plus 1 dx? As we can write it as, we can write, okay. Why? Because minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is plus 1 by 2. So this can be written as in the step greatest integer function properties. So this is equal to minus 5 to 5 x square x plus 1 by 2 dx. Understand? X square into x plus 1 by 2, that is a property that we have. Okay now, right. So we can take a minus common outside, x we can take out this. So this is nothing but minus I. So minus 5 to x square plus, again you are getting minus I. Therefore I is equal to minus I, 2I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0. So the integral value this is 0. Okay now. So very nice problem. So I hope that you understand this solution. Okay now. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So here it is given that x is equal to a plus a by r plus a by r square plus a by r cube, so on infinity. So infinite geometric progression. Y is equal to b minus b by r plus b by r square, so on infinity. It is also infinite geometric progression. Z is equal to c plus c by r square plus c by r to the power of 4, so on infinity. Then we have to prove that xy by z is equal to ab by c. Let us see that. So for infinite geometric progression, we have the formula s infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r, where a is the first term, r is the common ratio. Therefore s infinity is equal to, here the first term is a, that means a by 1 minus, what is the common ratio? If you see here, the common ratio is a by r. For each term you are it is a, so a by r by r. Second term by first term, that means a by r by a cancel 1 by r. So the common ratio is 1 by r only. So therefore if you simplify this, this is a r by r minus 1. Now second term s infinity is equal to, here the first term is a b by 1 minus r. Common ratio is equal to how much? Minus 1 by r. Let us see here, minus 1 by r. Already in the formula minus is there, plus 1 by r. So this is a br by r plus 1. So this is equal to x value and it is a y value. Coming to z value, here first term is c by 1 minus r. R means how much? 1 by r square. Common ratio, see here, 1 by r square. This is a cr square by r square minus 1. Okay now. Now we are asked to find out xy by z is equal to ab by c. So let us see that xy by z. What is x? ar by r minus 1. What is y? br by r plus 1 by, what is z? cr square by r square minus 1. So if you see here, a very easy one. So here r square will get cancelled. R plus 1 into r minus 1, r square minus 1. This also will get cancelled. We will get ab by c. Very easy problem this is. Okay now. So everybody can do this type of problems also will be asked. Okay. So I hope that you enjoyed today's class with some more problems. Tomorrow's class I will stand before you. So until then, all the best.